you follow your friends to go and do money ritual. Now your friend carry you go there to go and do money ritual. You know they are afraid. Say whether now you the one use for that your friends.
Alawalu, Alakiru, Asohiru, Abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
The material we need for this assignment is not too hard if you can do it. It's not too hard if you can do it. The material you need is snail. Snail. You need a big snail. You need a poabo. And you need big coconut, soap, and plastic rubber. Though this assignment, it has a long process, but if you do it, my brother, my sister, if you have something that you are doing when you are using this assignment, maybe you have a land or you have a project, when you try this assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, you will never ever lack of anything if you can do it. To God who made me. It's very simple, but the process is somehow long. The reason why I want to share this assignment with you is that I've done it. I've done it and I'm still using it. The woman who taught me this simple assignment, she used heaven and earth that if I try this simple assignment, I will give glory to Almighty God. And when I did it, to God who made me, I give thanks to Almighty God. So I want to share it with you today. Instead of you looking for blood money, you are looking for one Baba say, make I go bring a part of bra or your cap or your clothes. You are not afraid of yourself. You know whether they want to use you for another person. They ask you to remove your clothes and drop it and go. You know whether they want to use you for another person. You follow your friends to go and do money ritual. Now your friend carry you go there to go and do money ritual. You know they are afraid. Say whether now you the one use for that your friend. Without follow anybody go anywhere. If you see this video today and if you apply your faith, you do it. You never even think of Baba say make I bring something. Baba say make I bring this. Baba say make I bring that. See that you know that this thing will implicate you. If you can find these materials, it's very simple. It's not something that is very hard. You understand? It's not something that's very hard. You go to market, you get it, and you do it yourself. So what are the materials? You need ekwobo, snake, coconuts, and soap with plastic. So how are you going to do it? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Muti Olatiboye, also known as Baboyinje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tips, just like the one you want to watch right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And as you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. So this is what you are going to do. You need small ekwobo. You pound it to a powder. You add snake to it. Pound it together with the shell. Pound it. Then add soap to it. Do not use water to mix it. Pound the soap very well, and you put it in a big plastic rubber. The coconut, break it into two. The water in that coconut, pour it on that soap, and you cover it. Don't miss it. Cover it and keep it for 3 days. That is the first step. I forgot to mention shea butter, but it's not the part of this soap. Keep the soap for 3 days. So another ekwobo, if you can get this ekwobo, this one very plenty. This ekwobo, you now use that shea butter. You use it to apply every part of that ekwobo. You can get this ekwobo in a small pieces, or you get it, you pieces it, and you pour the ekwobo in a big shea butter. You mix it very well. Then you pack it, you put it in a local pot. You put one bunch of alligator pepper, put it together, and you burn it to a powder. Burn it to ashes. You understand? Then after that, grind it to a powder. Grind it very well. Make sure you grind it very well, because if you want to grind something that you want to use inside your stomach, you need to pound it very well. You understand? Use something to filter it. You understand? Pound it very well. I'm telling you because of your heads. Like me, if I want to use powder, I use a grinding stone to pound it very well, to look like powder, so that it will not stay inside your body system. Are you with me? So then after that, if you know how to drink oats like Shinap, Lord, you understand? You had like 5 spoons of that powder in that Shinap or Lord. You shake it very well. If you don't know how to drink Shinap, you can use hot water. In the morning, before you go out, just take half spoon of that powder, put it in your mouth, and use water, warm water, to drink it. If it is Shinap, use 1 shot, it's okay. So how to use it? The soap, you are going to beat it in the morning. Beat it in the morning. Don't mix the coconut water with the soap. Cut the soap and take it to your bedroom. Use it to bathe every part of your body. Then after the bathing, if you are going out, so take the one you put, the powder you put inside Shinap or Lord. Take 1 shot. Or if you don't want to drink hot, use warm water. Just take half spoon of that powder, put it in your left hand, and you drink it. Use warm water to drink it. Simple as ABC. That's all. By the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. If you love this video, please help me to like this video, your comments, you share my video, may Almighty God bless you. If you also give me super attack, I will also appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsèmọ̀gún. Láfi ń ṣe tiwa, ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀. Èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta ò rí. Ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. À ń bẹ̀ ọ́ gbóhùn wa. Torí lọ́la kó bá yẹ kún Ọlọ́run ọba.